Hi friends, welcome back to the SK solution. Today I am going to show you how to prepare this part in CREO software. You can see the base dimension 300 by 200, thickness is 30 mm. Friends, I am requesting you to all, please do subscribe my channel and support me to do the more like these videos. Select plane, sketch, select center rectangle, give the dimension 300, 200. Finish sketch, extrude up to 30 mm. Next, select the mid plane, sketch, the circular part diameter is 90 and 60, length is 210 mm. From the base, height is 150, offset from the side is 190 mm. Select circle, 2 circles, give the dimensions 150. From the side, diameter is 90, 60. Finish sketch, extrude, select here symmetric, length we require 210 mm. Apply. Next, select this surface, sketch. You can see one plate connected to the both parts. Dimension is 175 and height is 180 mm. Thickness is 25 mm. Select line. Give the dimensions. This is 185, 180. From here to here, 175. Select reference, select this circle, select circle, select delete segment, OK. Extrude, reverse the direction 25 mm. Select extrude, select pattern, select here direction, select the direction, reverse that. We want 3 numbers. Distance 87.5. Apply. Next select this surface, sketch, select circle, give the dimensions from the height 30 mm, from the hole center 95 mm. Diameter is 25 mm. Apply. Extrude. Remove material. Reverse the direction. Here we can give through hull. Next select fillet R25. Select the edges. Next select hole. Simple hole, diameter is 20 mm, dimension 55 and 35. Change the diameter 20, dimensions, give the dimensions 35 mm. This is 55. This is 35. Diameter is 20. Depth can give 30 mm or okay. So do this mirror. Select hole, mirror, select the mid plane, select both, mirror, select fillet R10, that's it friends. Go to view, select appearances, here more appearances, select this, go to star wheel. So change the color, which color you want you can assign. So like this we can assign the colors. Or we can assign directly here. This is library. Save the part. Friends, once again I am requesting you to all, please do subscribe my channel and support me to do the more videos. Thanks for watching this video, friends.